I'm Rajnikant Patel, Director of HASCO India, working with HASCO India since 18 years. Welcome to Forming Now. We have launched a product called Cooling Tornado. Cooling Tornado helps to improve the productivity into the mold. When you are inserting this particular product into the cooling line, it creates the laminar flow into the turbulent flow, and with the help of the turbulent flow, you will be able to reduce the cycle time of the mold. And we have done the tests, and we are confident that 20% increase in heat exchange will happen with the help of this Cooling Tornado. It is a very simple product, and it is having a great advantage into the tool and die making industry. HASCO has founded its operation in the year of 1924 in Lüdenscheid, Germany. We have started our operations here in India in the year of 2003. So HASCO is basically a German company which is a leading international standard mold basis, components and hot runner system supplier, and we are pioneer into the mold making industry. Here in India, we have a warehouse where we are keeping the products which is relevant to the Indian tool making and die industry.